This is 316 Furnace, apartment number 9, doing the move out. You have the living room. Trash needs to be removed. Carpet is badly stained. Needs to be replaced. Complete paint job in here. Need a smoke alarm. Repair the drywall damage on the walls. Blinds are good to the windows. Door needs painted. You have the kitchen. Move all the trash out of here. Have the floors cleaned. Do a complete paint job. Repair the drywall damage on the walls. Many blinds are good to the windows. Refrigerator needs cleaned inside and out. Oven needs cleaned. Stove top needs cleaned and new drip pans. Move the trash off the countertops and have them cleaned. Move the trash out of the sink. Move the trash out of the cabinets. Have the cabinets wiped down on the outside. Door needs painted. Frame needs painted. You have the hallway. Move the trash. Replace the carpeting. Do a complete paint job. Replace the smoke alarm. Bedroom. Move all the trash. Carpet's badly stained. Needs to be replaced. Complete paint job in this room. Bedroom door has damage to it. Replace the bedroom door. Going to the bathroom. Floor needs cleaned. Trash removed. Tub needs cleaned and caulked around. Needs screen in the window. Complete paint job. Toilet needs a good cleaning, new toilet seat. Sink needs cleaned and caulked around. Trash removed. This is 316 Furnace, apartment number 9.